Hi, I saw an interesting post on Facebook yesterday, and it was about an adult who was bored playing a piece from a traditional piano method. I felt it was too childlike. And teaching adults has been a passion of mine for the last 20 years. And teaching them that they can do stuff outside the chords has also been a passion of mine. I've had lots of success, and I thought I would take this post, the person put up the actual scan of the music, and just show you kind of what could be done. So the piece is called Why Am I Blue? And it goes like this. If I play the notes exactly as written. And I'm naturally swinging it because that's just the style of the music. And I'm not sure anywhere it says to swing it. It's a classic blues. And then you can do the first ending. And then you would never play blues the same way the second time. I'm just doing this off the top of my head, but in my course, Play Piano course today, we do a blues left hand, nice down low. I find that the left hand in this piece is a little high, which might be one of the reasons that it sounds kind of childlike. So you can just do root and fifth on any blues. If you're in the G blues, there's your root and fifth. If you're in the C blues, there's your root and fifth. When you know your major chords, you know your root and fifth. And I just walk my thumb back and forth between the fifth note of the G scale and the sixth note of the G scale. You can even go up to the seventh. So from the sixth, up a semitone. Now I'm doing a C in the left hand. Back to G, classic blues form, which you can teach. Now I'm on a D, back to the C and the G. It's hard not to improvise when you're used to doing it. So that comes from the blues scale. Quick lesson. Any blues scale is easy to find if you know a major chord. Let's start with the C blues scale. There's a C major chord, turn it into a C minor, add the seventh, 2 semitones below the root, so there's a C root, 2 semitones down, and you have a C minor 7. That is 4 of the 6 notes of the blues scale. There's 2 more semitones. See the 5th right here? Add 2 semitones below it. Any minor 7th plus 2 semitones below the 5th equals a blues scale. So a G blues scale, there's the G7, make it into a G minor 7. Add the 2 semitones below the 5th. And you have a G minor blues. And you can use that scale throughout this whole piece. Now you go to that 4 chord. Back to the 1 chord. Now the 7, 5, 7, 4, G. And what is really fun about this is there's a lot happening, especially at the beginning. So you've got a teacher and a student. One of you can just do the left hand. Just count out 4 bars of 1 and then do your 2 bars of 4, and they nicely wrote that in the music here. And the other person can play the melody, and then they can jam on the G minor blues. I added an extra note in there. Let's just do classic G minor blues. Does that make it seem a little less boring? So, out of the blue, so to speak, that was just what I do, what I love to do. And I'm wondering if the person on the Facebook post, I'll maybe put this in as a reply, would find this more interesting. I would love to teach teachers how to do this because I was classically trained and didn't know a blues scale from a hole in the wall until my 40s. But improvisation can be taught to anyone at any age because I've done it with students for the last 20 years and had a blast. It's really revitalized my teaching style, and I just wanted to share this with you.